Well, good morning, guys. We got a dumpster that showed up. So I was busy kind of late last night, but I'm gonna take the credit for that today. But yeah, I got quite a few boards in there with shingles on them. I'll take you up here on the roof. But on a whim here, I didn't think this ahead of time. I gotta think about what I'm thankful for today as I'm out wandering around. You know, I guess I'm thankful for clean shirts to wear. And I go through like 3 or 4 a day sometimes. So even with wetting them at the well and stuff to stay cool, I go through a lot of them. My wife faithfully washes them for me, so I am thankful for clean shirts today. Alright, while I'm up on the roof here, this is what we got. It's a hip roof. It doesn't look too bad, but there is quite a few 3-tabs that are gone, and especially on this side. I'm going to start off taking the lightning cable off, and then I guess get to ripping and tearing here, open the ridges up and see if we can kind of pop one board at a time and have the shingles come with it, hopefully. Alright, well, been working up here for a little. Got this uncovered. It's actually peeling off really well, like I hoped. Kind of the boards just taking one at a time, kind of working the peak down. Alright, while I'm up here on the roof, you can see I got quite a bit done. And check out the sag in that roof. I don't know if that shows up on camera really good, but I'm really glad I'm redoing this. There's some kind of weak points on this. I noticed there's some spots here, like that knot is about 1/3 of the way through for the strength of that thing. See that bird's mouth right there on that one there? It was cut for the bottom, and they must have not had enough long pieces to make it, because if they would have used it like 2 rows over, because they get shorter every run on this hip, they could have completely eliminated that. But this way, it's cut almost halfway through the width of that thing. So like the strength on that is really cut down. But yeah, the project here is just to keep ripping and tearing today on the roof before it gets too hot out. That sun is making its way. So I'm gonna keep ripping and tearing. The nice thing is I keep peeling this around and around like an onion. That's how I described it. And then the dumpster's right here. So for the most part, since it's a low pitch roof, I can just get right over here and I can get probably 95% of it to go right in there. So that's pretty awesome having it that close. Alright, got quite a bit done on the house today, and during the hot part of the day, changing oil, hydraulic oil in the Mini X. It was a little low when I got it, and I just got this used and going to use it around the farm here. Going to sell my other one, so this is a lot more of a machine, but I do need to change the hydraulic oil in it. So that's on the agenda today. So that's probably all the update for today. Thanks for watching, guys.